Thank you for subscribing and liking my video. I greatly appreciate it. Hi, guys. Don't you love my lipstick? PrissyPCosmetics.com. And I think I'd be remembering this is going to zoom in, and I always forget that it zooms in. One of these days, I'll get it down for you guys. One of these days. So I had a wonderful day today dealing with Medicare, Medicaid, and all the motherfucking Medis. Ugh. I tell you, now I see why people just want to kill themselves, okay? I really do. No, hair's not combed. Ain't got no eyebrows on, so I'm not really totally feeling myself. But I will be after this. Raspberry iced tea. Okay, let's get to going. Keep on keeping on. Making my jewelry with my crisp cut fries. I know. It's just how I like it done. And of course, they gave me no napkins. So thank God I've got them laying all over the place. It is so beautifully cloudy out. I just love the clouds. Because you know why? That means my ass can go outside, okay? I could be cool. Don't have to wear a coat. Don't have to wear sunscreen. Don't have to do nothing but get me up a nice long walk in after I eat this. And get my exercise on. Come back on in the house. And only have to take a short shower. So here we have our yummy. Let me show you how yummy it is. Hang on. Those are onion rings, hamburger, cheese, bacon, and my beautiful lipstick. So, you know, I got called to schedule my ride, right? Because I get free rides to all my medical appointments. And they want to tell me, oh, you're not in the system, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, well, if Medicare can push a button to tell you I'm not in, they could push a fucking button to tell you I'm back in. Because I didn't cut me off of Medicare, Medicaid, all these fucking metas. So figure it out. So I talked to my counselor lady who helps me with all this crap. And she says, well, just call this place. And I'm like, yeah, but if I call that place, I got to pay money. That's not my idea of a good time. Excuse me. Chair. So I bit the bullet because I don't want to keep missing doctor's appointments. I've been doing really, really good. You know, as far as my health, even if I do eat this crap, my health is really good, believe it or not. Cholesterol, blood, my diabetes is what it should be. Hopefully I've been doing enough exercises now to keep those 36 pounds off that I lost. Oh man, that's good. So I call the counselor back. And I tell her, no, they're going to make me pay, blah, 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 blah. And she's like, but don't worry about it. You know, I'll get that taken care of for you. Cool. Because, you guys, I haven't worked in like 7 years, right? This year's 8 years. So I'm not used to having money, green money, in my wallet. I'm used to having my money in PayPal. Well, bus don't take PayPal, so gotta work around it, But it's all good. Go get my checkup on Monday. Make new appointments all over again since they cut me off of everything since November 28th. Yeah. Those of you around 40 know this is coming, okay? Just saying. And if you want to know more, I have been doing Social Security, Medicare Medicaid videos. I have 4 now on my Tasha Loves You channel. Because, hey, we all got to stick together. We all got to learn more to do better as we get older. Shoot, I don't want you guys going through this shit and not know what to do. And I see why, a lot of people want to kill themselves. Because they don't tell us anything, right? Just poof, one day in the mail, your new program starts January 7th. And you have to reply to this within 3 days. Well, of course I got it after the 3 days was up already, fools. So I couldn't, call and say, hey, wait a minute, I just got this today, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, they don't want to hear that. Funny, huh? Funny how that happens, huh? Idiots. So, okay. Thank God I have a good counselor lady. I told you guys, that's the wrong channel, sorry. All my 6, 7 channels are starting to blend together. Okay, not the sex channel. I write erotica, I don't have sex. I don't have sex, I write erotica. 4 books, by the way. So anyway, Liz is the sister I talked about a lot on my Tasha Loves You channel. You come here, I don't know nobody here. I didn't have no family, no friends here. So I didn't know where to go. So good old Aetna Insurance. Aetna? I don't know. Not Aetna. Anthem, Blue Cross. Anyway, I'm really happy she hooked me up with Liz at Health Wellness, Vision Health and Wellness. Not psychiatry. She's my counselor. Psychiatrist is a different African lady. She's so cute. See, I'm doing better at talking and eating. Trying. That's not the chair, young lady. Get in the chair. Okay, here. Come here. There you go. After you eat that, go get in your chair. So, dealing with this Medicare shit, and then they took out $140 for 4 months. I'm like, I don't know why you take money out for. I can't go to the doctor anyway. You put a stop to it. That you don't give me no more Medicaid. I'll be getting Medicare January 7th, right? So, you can't go. Didn't I tell you to get in the chair? To the doctor anyway. Can't schedule my rides anyway. So why take money out of my freaking check? Even if I had money and could get to the doctor, it's way on the other side of town. It's not like I can just walk 1.5 miles to the bus stop and take 6 buses there. Please. They just bumped their head, y'all. They don't care. I don't care at all. I'm telling you, this is why people kill themselves. You know? Yeah, this means I've had no medicine for diabetes, high blood pressure, blah, 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 for a whole month. Don't care. Well, if you have an emergency, just go to the ER. How the fuck am I supposed to get to the ER? Dial 911 and pay $2,000 for an ambulance visit? Really? Don't think so, boo-boo. I can die in bed, thanks. So yeah, I had to treat myself to a Western bacon cheeseburger. Because I was on the phone with them on hold for 3 hours this morning. Carpet cleaners are supposed to be here at 10 o'clock this morning. What time is it? I don't know what time it is. It looks like it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. No carpet cleaner. So you guys, even on Social Security, I think, I'm willing to be wrong, but I think even for Social Security without disability, they did this also. Just changing us up like checkers. I really feel sorry for all those people who are laying in bed and paying from getting off your meds suddenly. It is so beautiful. Hang in there, y'all. This is why I have over 8,000 videos on Tasha Loves You, The Angels Network, and Tasha's Touch, Lady Lust Rider, and now this one. Something's missing, but I can't figure it out what it is. One of them channels. Good news? Thanks to you guys, and thank you to the subscribers. A girl has a few jewelry sales keeping her afloat. Thank God. Because if I didn't, I wouldn't be eating. I wouldn't be making this mukbang right now. Without you guys. Thank you. I'm just stuck on stupid, So what had happened was, they sent me a note in November saying between December, whatever, and January 7th, pretty much you ain't got no coverage. Because I didn't. All my pills stopped, couldn't schedule my rides to... all my other doctor's appointments said, you don't have any insurance, so we need to cancel. You need to call us back in January. So I had to cancel my colonics, not colonics, what do you call it when they go up your backside? Colonoscopy, my glasses that I should have had by now. I did my blood work, it's fine. What else? I love my lipstick. Anyway, there's a few that I had to call and cancel. And if you don't stay calm through it, you will give yourself a heart attack. And that can't happen because I just started really living life. You know, getting out the house more. Made a couple more friends. Excuse me, made a couple of friends. Getting out. And, you know, going more places and stuff. Because, you know, in the summer I don't go, right? I don't go out the house at 125 degrees. Yeah, I know I live in the desert. It can exist out there without me. Well, of course I go to my doctor's appointments, go to Walmart. At like midnight. When it was still 110 degrees. Okay, I think it was only 105. And heat ain't no joke. But heat is not my best friend. So, yeah, I know I live in the desert because it's cheap. That's okay. I'll wait for winter. I'll go out in the winter. I'm serious. Thank you for subscribing. Or I did go to where... Like, I went to a Unity Church and... What else? The Crystal Store. You know, stuff like that. But every day... Out in some sun? No. I like the brown that I am. I like this brown. It's a nice shade. And for those of you that are idiots and say, yeah, we got something that's dark skin. No, I don't. I have a thing with me getting sunburned. That was no fun. I did it once, learned my lesson. Yeah, it gets 120 in San Jose too. San Jose, California. But it only gets 120 degrees maybe 5 days out of the year. Yeah, I kind of forgot. Every other day or two I was in the desert. Bathroom. She's on restriction. My little chihuahua. So you guys, I'm telling you, learn. Start getting your shit together for when you retire. Now, so you're on Social Security disability when you retire? It's a whole new fucking world, let me tell you. Wow. What you say? Just stay calm. Vent to me if you have to. Find me on Facebook. Because if you keep letting them get you down, then they will have won, huh? That ain't ever gonna happen, honey. Please. Never. Never, ever, ever, ever. Okay. I just thank God my sister gave me some of her metformin before I moved. So I had that to keep my body going. Medicine, pills for diabetes. It's so beautiful. And it's nice for a change just to go out like this, or okay, right now, since the sun is clouded by the sun is hiding behind the clouds, I'll actually put on a light sweater, jacket, something. You know, we all got to stick together more and help each other learn. And thank God I'm not a shy person. I just didn't find it very easy to eat and talk at the same time. And look at you. As you see my head going, I like looking all over the place when I eat, especially out my beautiful window. That was good. Not gonna get me down. I didn't come this far to fail. So that's not even an option, you know? I know God got me. Ain't nothing gonna happen. Okay, to the guy that asked for Chinese food. I'll probably do that for you tomorrow. It wasn't in the budget today, sorry. Well, of course, what I wanted to eat. Now, I forgot what you said you wanted me to eat, but not that. It's a good day, no matter what. And I'm going to be a mama. Yep. I'm going to get my first bell pepper. I don't know when. I got my first bloom today. I'm excited. Don't have to buy bell peppers no more. Now I just got to figure out how to store them somewhere. I don't know. But it's great. One less thing to buy. Thank you for letting me vent. I feel so much better after just getting stuff off my chest, you know. My chest is big enough. It don't need nothing else. And I hope you had a nice dinner with me. And don't forget to check the community tab. Oh, no, it's not community tab. It's called, you know, back in the day, everybody had a community tab. You didn't have to earn it like you do now. Yeah. Back in 2004, it came with the channel. Now it comes after, what, 10,000 subscribers or something. I do have a community tab on Tasha Loves You. I'll probably be posting stuff for here more over there. But in any case, I have a discussion tab which I post to, and you can comment on there. I think it's somewhere up over there. I think. Anyway, I have one where I've been leaving more and more messages as of late. So check it out. Bookmark it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. You know I appreciate it. Because, hey, a retired chick is just trying to live and have a better life and help support. Sorry, it scared me. A bird looked like it was going to fly right into my window. I help support others when I can, feed their families, buy them shoes and coats and food and whatnot. It would be easier to do that if I were already monetized. And of course, get myself a nicer setup, Okay, Robert, let's see if I can give you one. Give you one for the road. Probably not, since it's tea. Sorry, Robert. Maybe next time, dear. Okay, I love you guys. Bye, 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 bye. Thank you for sharing, subscribing. Okay, guys, have a beautiful day. And don't forget to be good to you first.